one of the downsides of using these cat stoves is that you cannot recycle what is left after you boil your water or cook your meal. But I think there is in some cases you can do that. What I do is after I boil the water, for example in this pot, you can put this one upside down here and wait for like, I don't know, 10 seconds. Take it back, and now see, it's gone. And what you can do, you can recycle the rest. Wait for a couple of seconds, it cools down, and then you can use the rest of the alcohol, especially if you are in a hiking situation and every drop of alcohol or fuel counts. It's a decent way to recycle. Yeah, it's cool. And look, this is my alcohol, and yeah, to the last drop. And yep, see, that's honestly, I have used some different alcohol stoves. What I like about this cat stove is efficiency. And first of all, it is efficient. I can use easily 2/3 of an ounce of alcohol to boil 2 cups of water. Depending on the weather, in winter I'm gonna use like closer to an ounce. In the summer, even less than 2/3 of an ounce. But generally, I say 2/3 of an ounce is more than enough for boiling close to 2 cups of water. Second thing is when you turn, start the stove, right off the bat, you can use and you can put this over, and it doesn't have that warm up time that some alcohol stoves have. You can use from the moment you turn it on, it starts working. The third is cheap. I bought 5 of this tomato paste for $1, and I made this easily, like with puncher and another equipment that you use on top of your drill. And it's so practically, if you use the tomato, it's just free, and if not, it's 20 cents for an stove. It stays for a long time. This particular one I've used like for, I guess it's the 3rd year, and still working good. Another thing that I like about cat stove is light. Not sure, but I guess this one was 0.6 ounce. No, it's even less. 0.4 ounces for just one. And so it is light, it is cheap, it is efficient, it's kind of indestructible. And the last thing that I like about it is that if you don't have the whole thing, it's in a stove, it's not a burner. You can put If you don't have anything else, just put this one over the cat stove, and the fire comes from these holes around it. And you know, the only bad thing about cat stove is that you you couldn't normally recycle them extra alcohol, but with this type of, if you have a like a pot that can cover it here or there, then even that extra alcohol is recyclable, and I like it. Thank you for watching.